Let's make your Instagram private after making it a business. So if you switched your Instagram account to a business account and you want it to be private, I'm going to walk you through your options and limitations there. So if you hop into Instagram here, I can tap on the the profile at the bottom right here and the three lines at the top right. Now I'll tap on settings and tap on privacy. You can see at the very top, I have the ability to toggle on a private account because this is a personal account. But let me switch over and show you what it looks like on a business account. So I'm going to go back, and tap and hold to go to a business account. Now I'm going to go to the same place, the three lines at the top right, settings there, privacy. And now it still has a private account, but if I toggle that on, it says creators cannot be private. If you want to make your account private, you have to switch to a personal account. So if you have a business account, this is the same that applies for any professional account, creator account, public account, something like that. You cannot have a private version of it. So that's a limitation on Instagram itself. So to do that, let's go back and we'll tap on account here. Scroll down and hit switch account type. Now we'll switch to a personal account and hit yes. And then after we go through that step, we can go back into the privacy here and toggle on that private account. So going through these steps will allow you to have a private account, but keep in mind it's a limitation or a feature on Instagram that if you have a business account or a professional account, it cannot be private. So you'll have to switch over to a personal account. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.